aquí está su cafecito.
Gracias.
¿Quieres azúcar?
No.
Mami, soy yo.
Ay, Luis, hey, hijo, ¿quieres un cafecito?
Sí, un ching.
Un ching. Luis, this is Mr. Santos.
What's going on?
Hey, I guess I didn't recognize you from your mom not having any pictures of you up on the walls.
Yeah, I guess she doesn't have any up.
Now you mention it. I guess mugshots don't sit along too well with graduation shots.
Hey, who the fuck are you?
Well, it's complicated. Mr. Santos is a businessman.
It's not that complicated when you think about it. You see, your mother here has been making that classic American mistake. In other words, she's been living beyond her means.
Hey, bro, be polite when you talk about my mother, man.
I'm being very polite. See, I like her. She's a good woman. If I ain't like her, I would have burned this building down by now.
I mean, you know you could have came to me for money.
But what would you do to get it?
Yeah, I wouldn't borrow it for a piece of shit like this.
Hey, be careful, kid. I could have you killed.
Oh, I'm real scared of you, motherfucker. Huh? How do you sleep at night, man? Loan sharking to old women.
Hey, she called me, okay? It's business. We run a service. She knew the rules. She should have read the small print.
You know, you really are a piece of shit.
I'm a businessman, and trust me, it could get a lot worse, my friend. Now calm the fuck down. Your mother told me about you. Maybe you can help me pay off your mother's debt. That way this building doesn't have to come to an unfortunate end.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's go. As always, nice to see you, Miss Lopez.
Luis, be careful.
Yeah, it's a bit rich coming from you.
You ought not to judge me, Luis Lopez. You're just like your father.
Let's walk and talk.
Come on, you can do it.
You're gonna start fighting for money again.
Sorry, bro, but I don't do that no more.
I saw you go a few years back. Could have been something if you didn't care so much about that pretty face of yours.
Thanks, but that ain't the reason I quit.
You ain't quit no more. My thinking is you were bad enough for no one to notice when you take a dive. You beat the first two guys I set you up with. Then you fall on the third.
Fuck, bro. Shit, bro. I sure didn't think I'd be coming back here again. Man, there's probably even some guys on the scene that still remember me. If they ain't all fucked up by now.
Playing. No bullshit.
What if I get used to winning?
Then your mama better get used to me coming around and not being my usual friendly self.
How's it going?
Time for your fighter to shine, Santo. Get him changed and ringside.
Remember our deal.
Get your bets down. Place your bets. Place your bets. Come on, it ain't fun unless you bet on this shit.
Don't lose this one, you bitch! Boom! Over here! You that pretty face! Your mama will want you to win!
Moving on to the next round.
how much money I had on that fight? Are you too fucking stupid to know when to lay down?
Guess I must be.
You're a fucking dead man. I'm gonna burn that bitch mom of yours too.
I don't think you are, tough guy. This little game's over for you.
My boy, what have you been doing?
I've been taking care of things for you, Ma. That guy ain't coming around no more. Don't worry about it.
What kind of attitude is that to give your mama? Do you think you're something special? Like some baseball player? Like some gangster?
I mean, I didn't imply anything like that.
You organize parties, Luis. You're a bouncer? Don't act the big shot with me because I know who you are.
I mean, you don't know me. The most important people in the world come to our clubs, and I look after them. I am something, and I look after you. I'll see you soon, okay? Bye.
Peace. What's today's math? Word.
I keep on walking, all I see